Ladies and gentlemen, this song is about getting your heart broke, something I know everybody's had done to them before. It's also about when that heartbreaking pain lingers on and on and on, like forever. Reminds me of back when I was in 6th grade. My girlfriend was Harriet Hartsfall. And in the first period, she told me she was going to break up with me. Didn't want me no more. And the pain lasted all the way till nearly after lunch. That's when I met Zenobia Snitch. She said, "Hey, Pat, you want to go play out on the swing set?" And I said, "Sure, come on, baby. But you're going to have to give me a push to get me started."
Well, howdy, folks. I'd like to invite y'all to take a tour of Jack's Animatronics Warehouse in St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, and I'm Looney Bird, and we're here to tell you that after 4 years of working on it, Jack's got this show in perfect condition.
Yeah, the Rock-afire explosion is now viewable in all its glory. Every single element of the show has been meticulously restored.
Everything, all the way down to the feathers on my beak.
You don't have any feathers on your beak, Looney Bird. They're sort of on beside your beak. You know what I'm saying?